Dishwasher doesn't start. The start button just blinks for a while then shuts off.
What's the brand and model of your dishwasher? How old is it?
Frigidaire FFBD 24125 SOA.
How long has this been going on with your Frigidaire dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
Around 3 YRS old.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I don't think so.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. I'm sorry for your trouble. Will it let you change the cycle or settings? Okay, thanks. This means the door switch is faulty unfortunately and will need to be replaced. You will need to order and replace this part number 5,304,527,418. It is fairly easy to replace. Copy and paste this link, it will look different but it comes apart the same way. https://u2.b/7u8afhjmgvg. The video above will show you how to replace it. You can order it from reliableparts.com, repairclinic.com, searspartsdirect.com, partselect.com.
Click start, light comes on solid, then after 30 seconds the light starts flashing then goes off. Okay.
I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is Hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to rate me.
Good.
Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated.
Replace the part suggested, working fine. Thank you.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.